The Autel MS906MAX 2025 scanner is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, offering a larger screen and enhanced processing capabilities that make diagnostics more efficient. This scanner supports a wide range of vehicles, covering models from 1996 and newer, ensuring comprehensive service capabilities across various brands. It features all-system diagnostics with bidirectional control and active tests, allowing for precise identification and testing of vehicle components like injectors and fuel pumps. With over 40 service and maintenance functions, the MS96MAX simplifies routine vehicle maintenance, offering tools like oil reset and TPMS Relearn to enhance repair efficiency. Advanced ECU coding and adaptation features enable customization and optimization of vehicle performance, making it ideal for complex diagnostics and repairs. The MaxiVCI V200 Bluetooth interface ensures fast and reliable communication with vehicles, supporting advanced protocols for accurate diagnostics on modern vehicles.